Hey, I watched a really awesome movie last night. It's my all-time favorite.
Oh, really? I'd love to hear more about it. What's the name of the movie?
It's called The Lion King. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. I love that movie too. What do you like about it?
Oh, where do I start? The story is so heartwarming and the characters are amazing. I was blown away by the animation and the music. The songs are so catchy.
I agree. The animation is top-notch, and the songs are unforgettable. Hakuna Matata and Can You Feel the Love Tonight are my favorites.
Yes, those are great songs. And the voice cast is phenomenal. James Earl Jones as Mufasa is just perfect.
Absolutely. His voice is so powerful and commanding. I also love Timon and Pumbaa. They are hilarious.
Yes, they provide comic relief in the movie. I couldn't stop laughing at their antics.
Same here. I also like the message of the movie about the circle of life and the importance of family.
Yes, it's a very touching and meaningful story. It teaches valuable life lessons in a simple and beautiful way.
Definitely. It's a movie that appeals to people of all ages. I remember watching it as a child and still enjoying it as an adult.
Yes, it's a timeless classic. I could watch it over and over again and never get tired of it.
Me too. I also love the breathtaking visuals, like the African savanna and the stunning sunset scenes.
Yes, the animation really brings the story to life. It's visually stunning and creates a mesmerizing experience.
Absolutely. It's a visually and emotionally captivating movie. No wonder it's your favorite.
Yes, I can't get enough of it. I've watched it so many times, and I still get emotional during the heartwarming and heart-wrenching scenes.
I can understand why. It's a movie that tugs at your heartstrings and leaves a lasting impression.
Definitely. I also appreciate the strong bond between Simba and his friends, Nala, Timon, and Pumbaa.
Yes, their friendship is heartwarming and adds an extra layer of depth to the story.
It sure does. And the relationship between Simba and his father, Mufasa, is so touching. It's a beautiful portrayal of the bond between a father and his son.
Yes, it's a very moving aspect of the movie. It shows the importance of family and the lessons we learn from our parents.
Absolutely. The Lion King has so many layers to its story, which is why it's my all-time favorite movie.
I can see why. It's a masterpiece in storytelling and animation. I'm glad you enjoyed it so much.
Yes, it's a movie that will always hold a special place in my heart. The stunning visuals, unforgettable songs, and powerful messages make it a truly remarkable film.
I completely agree. It's a movie that has stood the test of time and continues to captivate audiences of all ages.
Exactly. And the voice cast is outstanding. From James Earl Jones as Mufasa to Matthew Broderick as the adult Simba, every actor brought their A-game and added depth to the characters.
Absolutely. The voice acting was top-notch and added so much emotion to the story.
Yes, it's incredible how voice actors can bring animated characters to life and make us feel for them.
Definitely. The Lion King is a true masterpiece in every aspect, from its story and characters to its animation and music.
I couldn't agree more. It's a movie that has touched the hearts of millions of people around the world.
It's clear why it's your favorite movie. I'm so glad you shared your love for The Lion King with me.
Thank you. It's always great to talk about movies we're passionate about.
Absolutely. It's a great way to practice English too. I'm glad we had this conversation.
Me too. It was fun discussing our favorite movie. do you have any other favorite movies?
Well, I'm a big fan of action movies. I really enjoy the Marvel superhero movies like Avengers and Spider-Man.
Oh, those are great choices. The Marvel movies are always action-packed and entertaining.
Yes, I love the thrilling action sequences and the dynamic characters. They always keep me on the edge of my seat.
That's awesome. I also enjoy action movies, although The Lion King is still my all-time favorite.
It's great to have different tastes in movies. That's what makes discussions about favorite movies so interesting.
Absolutely. It's always fun to hear different opinions and learn about new movies.
Yes, it's a great way to expand our horizons and discover new stories and genres.
I agree. Well, it was a pleasure talking about our favorite movies. I'm sure we'll have more interesting conversations in the future.
Definitely. I look forward to it. Thanks for sharing your thoughts on The Lion King with me.
You're welcome. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.
You too. Take care and see you around. Hey Mark. What's your favorite movie of all time?
Oh, that's a tough one. But I would have to say The Shawshank Redemption. It's a classic.
Really? I've never seen it. Can you tell me why you like it so much?
Sure. The Shawshank Redemption is a story of hope, friendship, and resilience. It's about two inmates who become unlikely friends in a prison and how they strive for freedom and redemption. The performances are outstanding, and the plot is captivating.
That sounds interesting. I'll have to check it out sometime. My favorite movie is The Lion King. I love animated films.
Oh, The Lion King is a great choice. I remember watching it as a kid and being mesmerized by the story and the music. What do you like the most about it?
I love the characters and the heartwarming story of Simba's journey to become king. The animation is stunning, and the songs are so catchy.
Absolutely. The songs in The Lion King are unforgettable. Hakuna Matata and Circle of Life are my favorites.
Mine too. I can't help but sing along every time I watch it. Do you have any other favorite movies?
Oh, definitely. I'm a big fan of superhero movies, and The Avengers is one of my all-time favorites. I love how all the characters come together to save the world and the action sequences are incredible.
I enjoy superhero movies too. The Avengers is a fun and action-packed movie. My other favorite movie is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. I'm a huge Potterhead.
That's awesome. I'm a fan of the Harry Potter series too. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone is where it all began, and it's a magical journey filled with adventure and friendship.
Exactly. I love how the movie transports you to the wizarding world and makes you believe in magic. The characters are so memorable, and the story is enchanting.
Absolutely. J.K. Rowling did a fantastic job with the Harry Potter series. I could watch those movies over and over again.
Me too. I've seen them countless times and never get tired of them. Do you have any other favorite movies?
Yes, I also enjoy romantic comedies, and one of my favorites is The Notebook. It's a beautiful love story with great chemistry between the lead actors.
Oh, The Notebook is such a heartwarming movie. The love story between Noah and Allie is so touching, and the performances are amazing. I always end up crying at the end.
Haha, I know what you mean. It's such an emotional movie. What do you like to watch in your free time?
I enjoy a variety of genres, but I'm a big fan of fantasy movies like the Lord of the Rings trilogy. The epic journey of Frodo and his friends to destroy the One Ring is so captivating.
Ah, The Lord of the Rings is a classic. The breathtaking landscapes, the memorable characters, and the epic battles make it a must-watch. I love how it brings J.R.R. Tolkien's world to life on the big screen.
Yes, exactly. It's a masterpiece of storytelling and filmmaking. I can watch it over and over again and still be amazed. Do you have any other favorite movies?
Yes, another favorite movie of mine is Forrest Gump. It's a heartwarming tale of a simple-minded man who leads an extraordinary life and overcomes challenges with unwavering optimism.
Forrest Gump is a classic. Tom Hanks' performance is outstanding, and the story is so touching. I love how it portrays the ups and downs of life and the importance of love and friendship.
Absolutely. It's a feel-good movie that leaves a lasting impact. The iconic quotes like "Life is like a box of chocolates" and "Run, Forrest, run" have become part of popular culture.
Yes, those quotes are so memorable. Forrest Gump is definitely a movie that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds.
Definitely. It's a timeless movie that never gets old. I'm glad we share a love for some of the same movies.
Me too. It's always fun to discuss and share our favorite movies with friends. It gives us a chance to discover new movies and appreciate different genres and styles of filmmaking.
Absolutely. It's a great way to expand our horizons and appreciate the art of cinema. I'm always open to recommendations for new movies to watch.
Same here. I'll definitely add The Shawshank Redemption to my watch list. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And I'll make sure to rewatch The Lion King and Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone soon.
Sounds like a plan. Let's have a movie night soon and watch some of our favorite movies together.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Thanks for the great conversation about our favorite movies, Mark. It was a pleasure discussing them with you.
Likewise, Sarah. It's always a pleasure chatting with you. Till our next movie night.
Absolutely. Take care, Mark. See you soon.
You too, Sarah. Bye for now.
Goodbye.